a 16 horsepower V-twin MTD Snowflight Spirit Aaron's snowblower. His handle is off a Spirit, which I still got the sticker on. I'll be taking that off. It's got 6 speeds forward and 2 in reverse. All the linkage looks real professional. Trying to keep everything real factory looking on this. 16 horse Vanguard V-twin. Really good running engine. Of course it bolted in and made it look just like it was supposed to be factory. Got a nice factory belt cover on that. Some tires with chains. 33 inch auger with drift cutters here. Really nice heavy duty auger. The 15-inch impeller. At this time now it's not modified, but it will be shortly. The chute is off an ST1032 commercial series snowblower, and that pretty much just went right on there with very little modification. You can see the handle is off a John Deere 38-inch riding lawnmower. You can see we got the oil filter and everything on this engine. Starts really easy. It doesn't have electric start, but you really just don't need it. It starts really great.